Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick tutorial with the CARLI BYBEL X ABH eyeshadow palette. And here I am just prepping my eyelids with some concealer. You can use eyeshadow primer, you can just skip this process, it's totally up to you. I don't always set my concealer, but today I felt like setting it with that bone color called Bare just to give it a more blown out and smoky effect. Next, I'm going in with the color called Chai, which is just a basic terracotta transition shade. I actually wish that this palette had a lighter transition color. I would normally go in a little bit lighter and then gradually progress to that Chai color. I'm just going to continue to blend it out. Make sure that the edges are really soft and blown out because your transition shade is so important to be really blended so you get that really smooth look. Next, I'm going to use the shade Cindy. This is definitely a brighter, more orangey color. I'm also going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going to basically bring it up a little bit higher than the previous shade, but I don't want to go too high because I don't want to be too underneath my brow bone, and then that will close up my eye. So I'm just going to blend it out and kind of merge those two colors together. Next, I'm going to take the shade called Bowie, and I'm taking this with a little bit of a denser blending brush, and I'm going to pack it on the outer corner. And as I pack and I feel like I've gotten a good amount packed on, I'm actually going to take the same brush and just flip it on the other side and just kind of drag it across on the outer third of my eye, and then gradually bringing it up to the inner corner to just kind of give it a more blended, smoky halo effect. I actually picked up another blending brush that was a little bit fluffier after that I packed on the color, and I'm just using circular motion to blend it out as best as I can. I'm gonna go in and do the other eye the same, and then I'm gonna go back and forth and kind of looking at both eyes to see which one has more, which one has less, and just make sure that everything is blended as nicely as possible. It's really difficult to go overboard here and it looks really choppy. Right now it's looking really choppy and I'm not happy with it, but as you keep blending it forward and bringing it into your transition, it will all come together. Next here, I'm just taking a cleaner brush and just kind of blending out those edges one more time and kind of checking, like I said before, to see what eye needs more and which eye needs less. And then now I'm taking that blending brush that had the transition shade, and with that transition shade I'm gonna go in once again to kind of smooth all those edges out. Next, I'm actually gonna pick up a little bit of the highlighting color, and I was a little bit scared for that moment because it looked a little bit too shiny, but I ended up just putting it onto the other eye and using it as a kind of diffuser kind of color. And this really gave me the opportunity to make everything really smoky and kind of just blend as one. For my lid shade, I'm going to use this beautiful, unique color called Libra. Honestly, it looks pretty purple sometimes, and it looks gray, then it looks kind of blue. I don't know what color this is, but this is a really unique color. So I decided to just pack it on with my finger. I did have a good amount of fallout that fell on my cheeks, but thank God it didn't stain or anything. So I'm just doing that on both eyes and getting as close to the inner corner as possible. Then I'm gonna go in with a more detailing brush to just kind of get those edges nice and crisp. I'm just getting the pigment on my eyelids and not really being worried about blending. Now I'm gonna go in with the same blending brush and blend all those edges out. And then I picked up this Bali shade for the inner corner highlight. This shade is super pretty. I'm also going to use that same shade to highlight slightly underneath my brow bone. I don't want to put too much because I don't love that super highlighted kind of look under my eyebrow, so I just put a little bit on the highest point of my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix Chai and Cindy together, and I'm gonna start that under my lower lash line. And the reason I'm starting with these two colors is because I don't want to go straight in with that Bowie dark color because it will look a little too aggressive. Then I'm gonna go back in with my highlight shade to make sure that none of that got lost. And then I'm gonna just take a look back and see if I like the blendability, if I need to fix anything. So today I'm gonna be using Winx Lashes in style Zeline. I hope that's how you say it. I'll put the name of it on the screen. And to finish the look, I am using a brand new product as well from ColourPop and Sophia. Here is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. It was super quick. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.